Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change region in Google Chrome on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome app on your iPhone. Step 2. Open the menu. Tap the three dots menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Settings. From the menu, tap Settings to access Chrome options. Step 4. Change language settings. Next, tap on the language and select the language of the country you want Chrome to focus on. This helps Chrome display region relevant content. Step 5. Update Google search region. Still in the Chrome, open the new tab and go to the Google search settings. Set your search region to the country you want. Step 6. Reset Chrome. Close Google Chrome completely, then reopen it to apply the changes. And that's it. And that's how you can change your Google Chrome region on iPhone using free settings. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.